In the UK, 1 in 7 people are deaf or hard of hearing. And when they're asleep, how do they know if a fire alarm sounds? Fireco invented Deafgard to tackle this problem. It's a flexible, cost-effective wireless solution for communicating the sounding of a fire alarm to deaf and hard of hearing people. Deafgard is a movable device which the deaf or hard of hearing person can take to their room. It's a battery-powered unit with a pillow pad attachment that simply goes under the pillow of the sleeping person. Deafgard listens continually for the sound of a fire alarm and needs to hear a fire alarm that exceeds 75 decibels at the bedhead, verifying the alarm over a 20-second period. Deafgard will then automatically activate. The pillow pad vibrates, high-intensity LED lights flash, and an LCD screen displays fire.
The Chatsworth Hotel is a 100-bedroomed hotel in Worthing. We needed Deafgard, which was the best product on the market, to provide our guests with security, peace of mind, and also to help us comply with the current legislation. As a hotelier and as a hotel consultant, I have absolutely no hesitation in recommending Deafgard, both for our legal responsibilities and for our moral responsibilities to the deaf and hard of hearing.
Deafgard requires no installation and uses a fail-to-safe dual battery supply. It's ideal for hotels, sheltered housing and halls of residence that have an automatic fire detection system installed. And it's a reasonable adjustment in line with the Disability Discrimination Act. Deafgard, another brilliant invention from Fireco.